Hello friends, in the previous video, I showed how we can create a temporary connection between Coolify projects. Now I will show you how to create a permanent connection, meaning the network connection will be adjusted to automatically connect even if the projects receive updates, restart, or redeploy. Let's begin. For this, I created one EN8EN and one SupaBase project as Test A and Test B in the Coolify panel. I have added our information on the N8EN side. However, as seen here, we are encountering an error. This is because our containers are not currently connected. I also haven't done the temporary connection right now because a permanent connection can be made directly. Now, let's refresh our page from here. Let's also refresh the SupaBase page. Yes, our containers are up at the moment, and they don't have any connections between each other. Now we are connecting to our server's SSH panel. After connecting to the SSH panel, we run the command that lists networks and services. Then, we will perform an operation in Coolify. We do the operation on whichever container will be restarted continuously. In this case, our N8EN continuously receives updates. We will need to restart it continuously or restart it constantly to recover from errors. Therefore, we will make this connection on EN8EN. Because we want EN8EN to connect to all other projects and containers when it starts up. We enter Test A, which is EN8EN. We activate the option Connect to Predefined Network. It is saved. We click Save from here. After saving, we click on Edit Compose File. We will give the code here to the LLM model. I will take its English version. We have come to GPT. We need to change the prompt. Now we specify that we want to connect the EN8EN service. In the ABC section, we specify which container we want to connect to. We specify that we want to connect to Test B, the SupaBase container. After jumping down a few lines, we go to the Coolify panel, copy the code in the Edit Compose file, i.e. config file, and paste it to the LLM model and send it. Okay, LLM has now given us our compose file code. We don't need to copy the version part here. We take the remaining part and delete the code in the compose file in Coolify and paste our new code there. Then we save it. Now, because we have made a fundamental change, we need to restart our container to apply our settings. For this, let's click Restart from the upper right corner. Okay, now the service has been restarted. We are waiting for it to stabilize. Once it stabilizes, let's switch to EN8EN, refresh our page, and check the database connection. Look, it pulled the test table now. Let's immediately check our credential from here. It shows that it has connected successfully. Let's immediately add a simple line to our database from here. Let's say, Hello Mars. Yes, it has successfully sent the data to the database now. Our data has also arrived here. At this point, we have made a permanent connection. Even if the container restarts itself, stops, and redeploys again, the settings we made in the compose file will be permanent, and this network will connect itself as soon as the container starts. If you have not just one project, but for example, not project A and project B, but 5 projects, in that case, if you specify the container and service names that project A will connect to in the prompt we gave to LLM in the same way, you will also make the connection to the other services. So there is no limit to this. That's all for now. Thank you for watching.